CPM party has strongly condemned the brutal attacks that took place on Monday morning in two separate places where CPM party members, leaders and workers were holding programs against fuel price hike. Total 60 to 70 bikers reportedly held the attack, and after attacking in Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev's constituency Bonamalipur Thaleshwar area, the goons further attacked in another place near Ram Thakur Pujar Mat area where that CPM workers were protesting against the same issue, that is fuel price hikes. Condemning this incident, CPM has demanded strict punishment of the hooligans. CPM said that without Chief Minister's acknowledgement, such attacks cannot take place in his own constituency. When people are talking about self-defense, then again BJP is engaged in negative propaganda, which means BJP will attack and people cannot protect themselves. It cannot be tolerated anymore, said CPM leader at the West District Office of the party.
রাজ্যের রাজধানীতে হয়েছে রাজধানীর মধ্যে মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর বিধানসভা কেন্দ্র এই ঘটনা উদ্বেগের এই কারণে যে এই প্রথম না বনমালীপুরে বিধানসভা কেন্দ্রের উপর্যুপরি বেশ কতবার আমাদের যারা নাকি কর্মী নেতৃত্ব তাদের উপর হামলা হয়েছে ইতিপূর্বে রক্তদান শিবির তারপরে পিপলস রিলিফ ভলান্টিয়ার জনস্বার্থে কাজ করা সামাজিক কাজকর্ম রাজনৈতিক কাজকর্ম কিছুই করা যাচ্ছে না এটা মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী জানেন না এটা হতে পারে না তার আশীর্বাদ তার প্রশ্রয় না থাকলে তার বিধানসভা কেন্দ্রে
At least 6 persons were injured in this incident on Monday morning and 3 were severely injured. One person, Meghnad Shaha, around 70 years of age, a retired teacher, has been taken to the GB hospital and has been later referred to the ILS hospital for treatment. After pitch battle between the supporters of two rival political parties, escalating tension prevails across the Rajnagar Assembly constituency amidst deployment of large number of security forces. As many as 70 people from both parties sustained injuries, including sitting MLA Shudhan Das, who was referred to GB hospital on Sunday night. Sources say that a group of opposition supporters led by local MLA Shudhan Das on Sunday staged a protest demonstration in front of motor stand area of Rajnagar in support of the 5 charter point demands, including steep rise of prices of petrol and diesel, hike in social pension, etc. They also organized a procession in the locality. But another procession by BJP workers and leaders was also organized in the same area to create awareness among the people in order to contain the spread of COVID pandemic. But at the same time, supporters of both parties gathered at motor stand area and engaged themselves with clashes and started stone pelting, targeting each other. Opposition CPM, through a press statement, strongly condemned the incidents and said that despite assurance from the governor and chief minister, attacks on opposition political parties, supporters and activists across the state is going on unabated. They also appealed to the people of the state to raise their voice against oppression politics of ruling party. Bureau Report, Halabod.